fam. See them here? Them are where I use and pretty up the kitchen. That's how them look. All on the edge. Just a show you know, cause as soon as I touch the kitchen and I'll show you later, I trouble. Alright? So stay tuned. Put them on and show you how I go on. Come in.
Top Class Bros channel, yeah. Welcome to the channel, Top Class Bros. You was Top Class Bros teaching you them. Fi uplift themselves, me I tell you live a better life. Welcome to the channel. Always like, comment, subscribe. You was don't forget Top Class Bros. Subscribe.
What's good, Top Class fam?
Hello.
Hi, Ariana baby. Hi, Nadisha.
Hello.
Alright, Top Class fam. Today, you know, I finally make up my mind, you know. Yeah, because, you know, from what day I have to pause based on when me look right here and so the tile them look really shine right here. And you know we did plan to put the mosaic on this part, but the feedbacks, a lot of people have said, boy, put the mosaic on the wall while our next half set of people still have said, boy, use the mosaic right here too. But we make the final decision right now. Final decision. Boy, I'm going to use the tile them right here still. I love the reflection I get from the tiles. Alright, and the next reason why I'm not going to bother with the mosaic. Alright? I'll show you how it stays. Show you how it stays when I put the mosaic. Alright, look. You see when I put the mosaic there, Top Class family, I have a big gap right here. And I don't really have a small piece of mosaic I could use up here. You understand? So, that is one of the main reasons why I'm not going to bother with the mosaic. Let me see some. This is one of the main reasons because maybe I would have to go use grout and put the whole up here. And although it's under the counter, you know, I'm not really too like that look there. So, I use some of the porcelain. Eh? So, I use the porcelain and line it, and then we just put the mosaic for the backsplash only. Alright? Well, you know, a whole heap of people, we have half and half. Half of people say use the mosaic, while the next half say, boy, just use the white tiles. But there's a little piece of gap, I don't really like the gap underneath here. Alright? Although that I got hide, but I don't really my style that. So, you know, them here, same way, all heap of pieces of tile, piece. However, the edges them good. You see it? Yeah. The edges them straight. So when I line it now, you know I'm supposed to have a nice line go right down as soon as I start tile it, alright? So I use it. You know, when I done and wipe down, the place look well shine. Just like one of the right here now, you look. And the counter right there, you can see how the counter just look shine and pretty. Yeah, that's how I like. Yeah. Counter just look white up and pretty, so. You know, I use my brain, you know, my brain tell me if I just get a piece of board and clamp it. So, you know, the tile them now won't slide off. So, stick around. I'll start up the tiling right now, alright? Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. White Top Class family. I take a little time go and learn the tiling work, you know. Yeah, I used to look by look. Now we done tile my house and tile Ariana's room and everything. You know, we can go in at the big street you know, and take on some tiling, but we're not ready for the big street yet, alright? Stay tuned. Alright, so we need 8 centimeters. Yes, so we mark up everything. So the cutting time now. Yeah. Sometimes our people struggle is real. One of the best piece, you know. Woo! Finish. Cut up the tiles them I know. I'll show one of them. Yeah. Yeah? Soon come. Mommy supposed to have one of that we pull already. So this is piece. Show one of them in a top class. Huh? Oh shit. They just picking up the pieces. You know this piece broke, but I find good use for it, man. You know, we don't to waste nothing, you know, anything we waste, no good again. Anything we dash, can't good again, alright? So you see them here? Now only if people go down and say, boy, top class, how much of the kitchen, you know? I sure the I got still. Yeah man, we have used top class some. See them here? Them here we are using pretty up the kitchen. You saw them look? And it's a show you know, cause as soon as we touch the kitchen and I'll show you later, a trouble. Alright? So stay tuned. Put them on, I'll show you how I go on. Come in.
Hello.
Ta-da. Yeah. This. Daddy baby. You know you're there, Daddy. You know what is that?
It's a fan.
It's a fan? Nice. Yeah, one of the people see it. So boy, after me put on the side piece and me look back and me say, boy, Jano top class. Me just feel like if it just go straight porcelain and then you just use that as the backsplash. Boy, this give me a nice finishing, me not lie. That give me a beautiful finishing. Yeah. Look good.
Good.
So alright, so you know I use them here to ensure me have a straight edge. So that is why when you look right here, you can see. As soon as I pull it off still, when I'm dry I pull it down, you can show no what I go on. But me I tell them people, I tell them I go on good. So my counter looks straight. Yeah man. I just say you have to just use your common sense still, because Father God gave everybody one of them something there. So boom that. So you see the corner right here now. The piece I got kinda technical still, but I figure it out still. Top class family know say anytime I figure it out, I mash it up. So maybe go and make it go and stay for today. Yeah, cause it look kinda technical where, you know, you have to start get some piece of tile, you know, and start to bend it round and cut roll it a little piece to make the curve. But I gotta figure it out. Yeah man, but the piece here look good. So as soon as it dry, we take it down and show no how I go on. But Now me I go on this piece of wall. Yeah, start cut them already so. Catch up the camera and show now I go on then. As I know, we're not grown up and stuff yet. Yeah, so you know, put on this piece right here. That would be still not top class, so I'm gonna try to make my thing them straight and look good. Yeah. So this part now. Yeah. Yeah, so everything straight, my people. So everything straight. Where you see the corner, you know?
Hello.
What's up, Ariana?
I'm singing for the top class.
You sing for the top class family? Okay, sing a song like that. Like top class family.
Day, night, night and day, day, night, night and day, dance.
You know the song? You can do all.
Nah,
Cause you never another song there.
I don't want that song.
How song you sing?
Day, night.
Oh, okay. Nice. You already have such a beautiful voice. Okay, baby?
Yeah,
I love you, baby.
I love you.
Alright. So top class family, hold on baby. The corner you know, Jano, you know, plan to put on the mosaic at the corner cause I could have bother me cut the entire, you know. And I just still want to see how the mosaic could look. But I guess we made the right choice using just this plain tile. Yeah, because Nadisha said boy the mosaic be too dark. But it look good around the corner here. As I know we not grout it as yet. You know with mosaic when you grout it before you can see the real beauty. But Jano, it bend the corner, it make a nice curve. And for your first time I do them tile in your top class family, Jano, I feel proud of myself. Yeah, I feel proud of myself, I not lie. So, I just use my brain. Even so that corner here, you know, I could get to take this. Because I know some of the mosaic in tile, so I just use the grinder and bust it. I mean, for that one tile I would handle, but you don't know we have common sense, so we have to use it up, you know? Yeah. So, just go and make it dry. And then me grout it up and stuff. But I tell you top class family, look good. Yeah, my work for today look sharp. So I just back and show you how it stay like. You know, come right here now and look inside the kitchen. Hold on, bright up, yes. You look inside the kitchen, you can see the thing look, you know, beautiful. The tile them uniform, the ground, the floor tiles and the tiles and the counter. Everything look good top class family. So now we reach the point where we get a grout up, but you know we have to make it dry before we can able to grout it. So the grouting is for tomorrow, alright? And next time we grout it up, so just stick around, show you everything what I go on. But John, my people, it's a good look. It's a good look, and just how we get right now, I want to line up some more money. Hold on, baby. I have to line up some more money so I can get rich if we start and build the cupboard. As I know, from what I'm kind of busy, because you know, a lot of rain been falling from what and you know, you can't get to spray the closet in a rain. So that is our next thing also, alright? But the closet, I'm supposed to, it's in a process to get sprayed. So I'm showing you that one at a time. But the closet, no start, the kitchen cupboards, no start as yet. But him say want finish it up for December. So, you know, I have a piece of money in my pocket so I can just scheme as soon as it's done for December. Because on the sister, I just the kitchen I get throw off just through the cupboards not about yet. But boy, I have to give thanks because I'm there to help myself, you understand? Yeah man, and hold up a plate and pot and cup and all kind of something. Yeah. Just step on the countertop. Now give me the real beauty. Now give the kitchen the real beauty. But when you know say anytime the cupboards make, when you know as soon as the cupboards make and everything go, which part is supposed to go? The pantry, store the foods. And you know we keep the cup and plates inside the cupboards. Thing look uniform, alright? Stick around on the journey. Coming for the new year. Ariana foundation a kick off. Ariana room a start. Coming for the new year, alright? So you know, we have 500 blocks. So we just want to line up some money for get a ton of steel, 1 truckload of sand, one truckload of gravel, some 1x3 lots, some 3/8 steel. Then we can start off the foundation and start Ariana's journey. So big up on yourself, people. Nadisha do some cleanup.
Santa.
Yeah, Santa, daddy, I got turn Santa. So Nadisha do some cleanup there.
The next day.
Family morning. We are continuing on the video because it's today. Leave the place to go and dry. So today, I'll get a grout up and show you the finishing touch. Yeah. So I'll show you how the piece of place look around here now. Right. Why top class family? Janu, for your man who just started to them look at something here. Janu, I have to pat myself on the shoulder, you know? Yeah, we just back and show you how I gone. So as I know, we use the shine piece, the porcelain right at the front part, so everything straight, like arrow. Yeah, that's how we work, man. You have to work neat, you understand? Yeah. And you know, me run it over this side, same way. So now, I do some grouting, grout up them place here, seal them up, wipe down, and show you a finishing touch. Grout up them place here, grout up the corner. And you know, me never get to grout this. No, we never get to grow this piece of work, so do some grouting, no? Yeah, I do anymore. A long time, you know, make a link up, you know, bro.
Yup. Derek, bad Tyler.
Oh, dear man. Anytime you ready to put your tile in your house, who fish out?
Top class.
Oh. You hear that, people? I want to work that again, you know. Yeah, so we have some grout. So I'm just mix up the grout and do some grouting. Alright? Stay tuned. After this, you know, we'll just close out the video. Yeah. Alright, top class family. Finish up right now. Show you how I go on, grow up and everything. You know, I don't like pay food there all about in the place, so yeah. One thing still, I love this more than this with which part I put it. Yeah, but this now, when I put this around the corner, it look good. Finish grout it up and stuff, you know, them place I just want to wipe down so you can see the shyness and everything. Yeah, just wipe them and wipe off, man, see there? Wipe off them shine, actually just grout, so I have to give it some time. But it's a good look. Go run out for me, so I have to go buy one next 2 pound of white goat. Yeah, but look good, top class family. Tell me how the counter look here now. Jaja, look like I saw it make, you know. Can't believe say I top class I do this. But just believe in yourself, you understand? Just believe in yourself. Alright? So thank you so much for the love and support. You're new to the channel, please remember subscribe. Next place then which part more of a tile now. I think I got tile around the window. Yeah, but just a tile up right around the window because you know me as a man now but can not really like the bag of dirt business. So I wipe down them place, I wipe off my window, them I true when I get the time to do this. Wipe off my window and think I run some tile. Use the white tile right round. Yeah, I think that all look good. So tile this window, tile the next window over there. So when we start on the black backsplash them and stuff, you have that nice black and white. Yeah, with the grey cupboards. Big up on yourself. I only think top class are going, alright?